Hello guys, this is AB from Pink Jordan 23.7 and Pink Jordan 23.8. If you guys are interested in those items, don't forget to contact us, Skype, Wechat, or Wechat app. And you can search our website to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will do more review here. Okay, so today I want to show you guys the Nike XB Dunk Low Night of Mischief for Hello Mars. Yeah. The new colorway, very hot and very special design. And first you can see the side, the big logo here, the pumpkin color. And on this part you can see the purple spider web and also purple spider here. Okay, check the top box. Yeah, pumpkin color with the purple shoes lace. Okay, check the ton of shoes here. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. And this special design, you can see the white ghost here. And also check the insole. Okay, show you. The insole. Okay, check another side. Also the spider web. Now turn to the back of shoes. Trick or treat. And okay, check the button. Nike SB logo. So if you guys are interested in those items, please feel easy to contact us, Skype, Wechat, or Wechat app. This is AB from Pink Jordan 23.7 and Pink Jordan 23.8. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.